Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today we announce what the year of is going to be in 2022 at our monthly giveaway live streams. If you're interested in showing up to some of those, where we give away a lot of blacksmithing tools out there to you beginner smiths and you starting smiths out there, check the link down in the description, or all the information will be in the description that you can look up all the dates and times that we're doing such giveaways. So with that out of the way, let's reveal what we're doing in 2022. Dun dun dun! So this year of 2022 is going to be the year of the forge. More importantly, the year of the gas forge. I will be giving away 12 of these Mr. Volcano gas forges. They're made right here in America. They're made of all stainless steel outside housing. Look at that beautiful burner pipe right there. Comes with the regulator, hose, burner, the housing. It comes with a fire brick, all of the K-wool and Satanite and rigidizer that you need to actually make your own gas forge out of it. And so this thing is sweet. The forge I'll be giving away is actually going to be the kit. So it comes to you in a kit, so you will have to assemble it and go through the process of curing all the refractory and all that good stuff. Not very hard. I'll have a video coming out on that here soon. But yes, that is what the year of the forge is going to be, year of 2022. Okay, so there you have it. Make sure you are at our Friday night live streams whenever we have them, especially the giveaway lives when we give 12 of these away this year. Now, when's that going to happen? We're going to be giving away one a month for the whole year of 2022. We really hope that you will join us during those streams. Not only are we giving that stuff away, but we have some epic tooling that we're going to be giving away at each live stream as well, in addition to the gas forges. So this is the year of the forge. Last year, it was the year of the swedge block. That was provided to us by Holland Anvil. And the year prior was the year of the anvil, provided to you by the community, truly. We gave away 12 66-pound anvils. So if my channel and my content is something that you're into, if you're just getting into it, or you know somebody who is, share this video with them, share the channel with them, get them involved in the blacksmithing community, and I hope to see you at the live streams. So that's it for today. God bless each and every last one of you. Thank you to all the channel members who make this content possible. Bye.